proudest moment would be, since we have no grading system, ito yung when I see the student have the initiative or eagerness to learn and be involved in the art industry. Hi, I'm Ivy Floresca. I'm a practicing visual artist. I'm currently the mentor or coach for Soma Creative Circle. Sana lang sila kasi we have free art materials. Kasi sa classroom, more on academic approach. Like we have a book to follow. And I assess them based on yung skill level, on their skill level. Then I coach them on how to improve individually. Yung status, actually, masaya kami na more on exploration level kami. I mean, yung difference dun sa classroom base, dito, mas naghahanap sila ng personal growth sa art nila and mas hinahagos nilang hanapin yung style nila. Unlike sa classroom na pare-pareho, then dito sa art circle, more on individual art personality and yung specific skill set na need nila for their own art practice. And I think enjoy siya. I mean, mas na dideepen yung passion for the arts. And mas marami pang pwedeng ma-explore. I mean, yung classroom, lang yun, wala pa sa basic. Pag nandun na sila sa art industry or nagpo-pursue na sila ng art career, mas marami pa silang matutunan and mas marami pang possibilities.